I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA's Daily Review. Today is February 21st, Wednesday, 2024. So take a look at this. So price ended up selling immediately from where we opened yesterday, came down. Now, on the higher time frame, this is going to be more important than anything else, obviously. So we came to seal up that imbalance there. So I'm going to delete that because we did that. So we were dripping down slowly. And with the price action today, as you see here, grinding hard like that, you can see that this was going to be one of those end of the day things. With experience, would be able to show you that. But here's the thing. You're wondering, where is it going to stop? Someone messaged that on the comment in the last video. So the higher time frame is always going to win. And in this case, so what do we have? We have the actual daily candle. So this was here. Well, let's just draw another line. But originally this was here for me. And real quick. All right. And then I want to see how it reacts. And I knew it would drip a little bit lower, generally below the open. If I was to refine this level of the daily candle, this January 31st, right here, I'm going to delete that because I got to refine here. So I got to refine here with this last down candle, all right? All right, it taps into that. But even if you refined it more than that, take a look at this. This is something I missed yesterday. I didn't even see it. But what I was looking for, oh shit, that's NVIDIA going nuts. Oh, thank God I took out that trade. Damn. Look at that shit. Took that shit out to 50. Oh, I can't even get into that right now. Well, this is another reason why I close trades and don't hold. All right, so what was I gonna say? So when we were coming down here, I'm looking for a double bottom, pretty much, right? And refining would be this imbalance on this is a 4-hour chart. So the little imbalance right here is refined. So now that you see that, I'm gonna come into here. Obviously, very ugly day, and we had FOMC minutes today, which is not a big deal, but that'll also freeze the market a little bit. And they wanted to drip down slowly. If you were a seller, this was good, but this liquidity here, oh, they took out the high too. Shit, look at that. So I'm looking at this as a higher low right now, possibly because my analysis was well, now it's ugly before I can't even show it to you now. But I was looking for a double bottom here. So bottom there, right? Kind of like this idea right here. So double bottom and then to buy it up. Now, obviously I can't show you because the 4-hour looks ugly now, but just picture this going up. So as we were making lower low, lower highs, you should be a seller. You shouldn't be fighting this. You should understand that where we could possibly go on the daily chart, which is obviously into this candle, breaking out this low right now today didn't make sense to me. I think they're going to save this for March. So what I'm trying to say is, being a participant in the PM session would have been better. But if you were a seller, plenty of good sells. Obviously, all these lower highs here. We've been getting lower highs since that yesterday perfectly tapped buyer's remorse I mentioned yesterday, and we just been selling since, right? So that being the case, I'm waiting for the PM session at the end of the day, right? Obviously at the power hour, and I'm getting here a little bit pre-power hour. And what's crazy is that I took the trade here, right? And I've got all the damn lower highs marked, right? So we come down. I'm looking for this. We come down, and then look how we tap. So at this, when I take this picture, I've got the daily down candle open right here, and then this is, I don't mark my chart well, I guess apparently, but and then here is that 4-hour. Where is it? Right here. This 4-hour. right? So the daily, it was up here, the daily, and I deleted it, and now it's that 4 hour, right? So fucking crazy. So then we tapped that 4 hour, two down candles, or that one down candle, and then we tapped that little imbalance I said on the 4 hour. Look how we tapped it exactly, right? And I'm waiting for something like this. So sure enough, I take the trade. It's a good trade. And I take the screenshot here because it was moving fast and I wanted to kind of outline more. So make sure I draw my targets and make sure things are positioned, right? And by the time I do that, I screenshot it here. Well, I got so excited when we hit this level, when we, I see, told you, lower high. This was a high, I mean higher low. This was a good buy right here. Look where it came, right into that bottom imbalance on the 15. And to answer the guy's question, that made the comment, the higher time frame is the best, but 15 is also like what my go-to. But take a look at this. Holy shit. So when I took the trade and I was like, let me juice this bitch all the way till 5 o'clock. I'm sorry, till 4 o'clock, right before 4 o'clock. And that was right here. This candle right here. See, it turned 4 o'clock right here. And then I closed the trade. This was a $13,000 trade. I closed the fucking trade and didn't screenshot it. I was just really excited because I was waiting all day for this. And then when I closed the trade, I was like, fuck, you didn't screenshot it. So whatever, it is what it is, man. But hopefully this shows you the logic of what I was doing here, right? So, and what did we do now? So let's take a look at live price action. What did they do? So they shot up, I guess, what was that? 420. 420 popped it up. And yeah, okay, so 420. So we popped up first straight and we took out that high. I also have this range here from here to here. I know we're coming up above the 50. We got that liquidity and this is not really necessary anymore. But what's it called? So yeah, and then what did we do? So we broke all the way back down and then we popped all the way back up. So crazy shit. And then they pretty much wiped out that the rest of the opening range gap. So this is my goal was hitting this 50 level here. So shit, man. I mean, I wouldn't have, if I held it, I wouldn't have been stopped out, obviously, but geez. That's why I don't hold trades past 4 o'clock. But anyways, let's see here. So where are we at from here? Let's take a look at everybody else real quick. They just almost hit their open and wiped out all the. So the reason why I'm buying here is because we've got way too many lower highs here. I mean, especially in this price action. So prices, we've already took out this liquidity. We filled the imbalance here, which I deleted. And this is a very possible big support, obviously. So that's the reasoning of this buy and to target all of this. So as you can see, everyone else was doing the same. I mean, it's just too many lower highs, dude. I mean, it's way too many. You know what I'm saying? Like when you get a tight range like that and it's lower highs like that, like you expect a counter trend. So that's what they did. Let's see here. Let me look at S&P on the higher time frame. They got into that imbalance for them. So let me look at Dow on a higher time frame. Again, all these lower highs, wipe them all out, right? So this is where we are right now. And let me take a look at dollar real quick. And dollar ain't on shit, man. So wow, look at that shit. That's crazy. But here's the deal. And I'll call this because yesterday I wasn't sure exactly, but I had a feeling we'd come down a little bit lower, especially taking out the previous day low, but getting into here. This is this kind of I didn't see that happening. But take a look here. I fucking knew it, bro. So higher lows right here, and that was the whole intention. And you could have held this. Now, what do I expect for the rest of the month and March? I'll tell you right now. fucking knew it, bro. I fucking knew it. So I could see us. Well, we're already here, so I mean, I can't tell you anything else. But I could see us doing. I could see us doing this type of shit, and then now we're in March, doing something like this. Oh, so however long this takes, and what I'm showing you. Let me do this again. So we're going to come up here. And I was mentioning this yesterday. I said we come up here and get into these clean highs that we got right here. So I can see this happening. Something in this nature. You know. Now we're in March. I see March dropping. So this is what I'm expecting. So damn, man, fucking do it, yo, all day. Just I'm gonna be real with you, all day today. I'm like, yo, they're gonna squeeze it out all the way till they get down here, and then, well, my first sight was this open of the daily candle up here. That was my first waiting for that target, but then I refined it and got to the 4 hour here, and then in here. Sure enough, it bounced literally right on top of that bitch. I mean, look at that. Crazy, man. And look at this. Boy, right to that other gap that we had up there. So, wow. Oh, wow. Glad I took that bitch out. So, because I was expecting this double bottom here. Seasonal data will show you that it's there's a double bottom here, and then it'll pop up like this, and it'll kind of like double top like that, and then we'll slowly come down, and then March will sink it and take out all this liquidity right here. So I'm even gonna do it now, just like this. This is what I think is gonna happen for sure. Well, no, let me not say for sure, because nothing's for sure. But yeah, that shit looks too good. So anyways, you don't understand. I'm sure you understand, but I was sitting here. I was doing other things too, but I was sitting here all day like, oh, go ahead and fuck around. Keep making your little lower lows and lower highs. I know what you're doing. I know exactly what you're doing. And that's why I had it. I had this I didn't expect that all today, to be honest. But I expected to come up to here. The first level of where my liquidity was, and then up here was beautiful. And fuck, dude, we fucking took off. Wow, that's pretty cool. So yeah, when you get in this tight ranges, lower low, lower high, you should be a seller for the majority of the day until the later PM session, and then it'll reverse. So here is how I saw it, as I already told you. Smacking that was the key level, plus getting into this down candle right here on the right here, the 4 hour. So I'm already underneath that. I know that, right? And I'm taking the buy here, right? So as soon as it starts to push up, I'm buying. Now we get up here, come down, doesn't take me out. I'm okay with even taking this loss too, but and I'm highlighting, as you can see here, I'm highlighting this in the future to show that this is where I'm going to want to see support. I'm going to want to see support even when it gets to up here after being in here. Right, this last up candle, this support block. So take a look here. Where are you? Here. So this is where you're playing around here. We come up, and then we get in here, and then we use this as support as we buy from here again. So, and then pretty much support right there. You can see it. It's very clear. And then it takes off quickly. So, damn, I wish I would have screenshotted that shit, bro. I was so excited. I was like, yeah, fuck it, 'cause I've been waiting all damn day. Anyways, other than that, I've already gave you the outline for what I expect here. for the rest of this price action. I don't know how long this can take here. Okay, so but that looks pretty juicy right there. And then some type of double top, however long it takes. I don't know. I don't expect it all in one day. But I see March pushing us down. So wherever March is, fucking right here. By the time this happens, by the time March is here, I want us to see us be already coming down. And then March will just push us down. Not maybe this far, but I'm just saying, you know, somewhere in this vicinity here. But all right, hope this helps you guys. Take care. God bless.